Hi, my name is Craig Hoffman. I'm the plant engineer here at the Perry, Georgia Frito-Lay facility. It is the largest facility Frito-Lay has. And what we're talking about today is planning and scheduling. To me, the foundational maintenance system is planning and scheduling. You can focus on preventive maintenance or work identification, but if you can't execute the work you identify, you're going to fail. Planning and scheduling is the key to allow our maintenance teams and our mechanics to execute successful work and keep our plants reliable. It is the fundamental maintenance system out there.